We'll start by summarizing the case. We have an 8-year-old male diagnosed with spastic hemiplegia cerebral palsy on the right side. He is GMFCS level 1 and uses a DAFO on the right foot and a left foot shoe insert.
Okay, so after recording all of the problem areas for this child, we narrowed our top 4 down to decreased dynamic balance and stance balance on the right lower extremity, decreased trunk stability, foot drag during the swing phase on the right foot, and decreased heel strike, and then decreased active range of motion with the right upper extremity.
Now we'll analyze the single main primary problem area,
which we have determined to be balance and stability, which possibly could interrelate between his decreased balance and right foot drop and right decreased heel strike.
Okay, so one of the uncertainties that we have with this case is how the use of the DAFO affects his balance, since he did have decreased or absent ankle control, especially on the right for when we had him do static balance. So it's looking at, is the use of the DAFO preventing him from using that, or does he necessarily have decreased dorsiflexion and plantar flexion range of motion strength, if that's what's affecting it. So we were kind of looking at that, and we are going to work on getting him to use the dorsiflexion just to see if we can get him off of that AFO, but we're not necessarily sure if that's going to correlate or not just because of the use of it.
And the plan that we are going to start with our intervention is we're going to start with improving trunk stability with some core exercises using a ball over his head and sitting up, improving dynamic balance with games such as the Wii, increasing dorsiflexion and plantar flexion strength on the treadmill and increasing the incline on the treadmill to help with the heel strike, and improving active range of motion with his upper extremity. We could do anything, including work with a ball or any activities he likes.
Okay, so just some topics for us to look into on our own that are related to the case. One of them was the effects of the shoe insert that he has on the left and how that provides him with either greater functional abilities or what that necessarily does benefit him with.
And another question was using forced use on his hemiparetic side and his frustration or discouragement of the child.
Also, we thought we might look into does allowing the child to fall improve his confidence the same way it would for a child that is just learning to walk, or would that be a detriment to the child falling independently while we're doing balance exercises for his confidence?
And that's it.
Thank you.